Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily get the body cloning effects in CapCut. So this is a new feature or a new effects on CapCut that can be used if you want to clone yourself. So first, after you add your clip, just go to effects, click on body effects, and then click on the clone category. And in here select the upper two options, and in here you can see the effects will apply, but you can always adjust. I'm going to lower the speed so the cloning will be more slow like this. Then I'm going to also adjust the intensity like this, and after that you can just click on a check icon and you are done with cloning yourself on CapCut. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.